Welcome back to Vernon's Speakeasy, and today I'm going to show you how to roll with some New Mexicans. Today we're going to give you a crash course on how to roll a burrito. Now, as you may or may not know, burritos are a staple to New Mexican, absolute delicious concoction of everything you see here on the table and much more. Today we're going to be going with eggs, beans, papas or potatoes, bacon, some cheese, red and green chili for that good Christmas flair. To start, we're gonna go ahead and throw in some of our eggs. And don't mind, I got gloves. We're health conscious. And you're just gonna plop everything right in the middle. I'm gonna take a scoop of beans. And you wanna make sure everything gets spread out so you have a nice bite of everything when you take a bite of this. Some potatoes. It's just like Chipotle, but way better. I like to put the cheese in before, just so it's in the middle of everything. Go ahead and throw in our bacon, just like that. Some green chili. Oh, and we love our chili, so I'm gonna just top that off. Top that motherfucker off. All right, some of our house-made red chili. So now we're gonna get rolling. So you're gonna wanna take the two sides of it, and you're gonna wanna overlap it and then pull it back and take this flap and just go over all of it and make sure it's good. You want to make sure to bring it all in, tuck it and make it nice and dense, and then just roll. It's super simple, super easy, and just like that, you've got a beautiful burrito. Now you can just eat it like this, or if you want to get a little fancy, you could take red, green, cheese, anything, throw it on top, smother it, it is delicious. Or you can throw it in a hot oiled pan, go ahead and just get that bottom nice and crispy so you have a crispy outer exterior and then a good, chewy, flavorful burst of flavor in the inside. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a little something new. I mean, just look at that beauty. But go down, follow all our social medias, leave a comment below, tell us what you would like to see. Thank you.